Notice the little arrow on the knob is facing right. To start the fire pit, you are going to rotate that little arrow into the up position. Depress the knob and then press the ignition switch. Hold the knob in for about 5 seconds longer. At which point you are able to release and then rotate the knob left. You should hear the pilot click on and see flames. Never place plastic objects on or near the fire pit. It is hot enough to melt. To complete your use of the fire pit, rotate the little arrow located on the knob from the left position to the right position.